Namaste. So, today we are going to see the chapter circles in math and trying to relate it with the value of being sensitive. A circle is a locus of a point which moves in such a way that the distance from that point is always fixed. A circle is a closed two-dimensional geometric figure such that all points on the surface of a circle are equidistant from the point called the center. The distance from the center to any point on the surface of the circle is called radius. A circle is a collection of all those points in a plane which are at constant distance from the center. The fixed point is the center, radius is the constant distance from the center, chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circle. Thus, the parts of a circle are radius, diameter, circumference, chord, secant, tangent, sector, and segment. A round plane figure whose boundary contains points equidistant from a fixed point, that is, the center of the circle is a fixed point from which all points on the boundary of the circle are equidistant. How is this related to being sensitive? A simple concept of radius. Let us take, for example, from the center of the circle, which is a fixed point, equidistant lines to the surface of the circle makes it the radius. And throughout the circle, you can find the same measure for the radius. Imagine that any one particular point on the surface of the circle you change, then you are changing the radius. What happens? The circle loses its uniformity on the circumference and it is no more a circle. What's happening here? Any existing pattern in the circle, if altered, the whole system becomes sensitive to the change and alters itself correspondingly. Like this in a normal human life, which goes without any hassle. If suddenly we meet with a different challenge, then the whole system of humans get changed. Either the person tries to nullify the effect or succumb to the alteration. That is, in other words, the human beings become sensitive to the change. But with human, they have a choice either to give it or hold on. Any person who's sensitive to the changes will understand and then respond to it in a positive manner. The sufferings of others also become a sensitive point for humans. That also has to be responded positively. So in life, anything and everything is possible. One has to be sensitive to the changes. If the changes are for oneself, then rise to handle it. If the changes and challenges are for others, stand by them and be sensitive to their needs. Answer the following questions.